Okay, so today we're going to build an organizer, a bathroom organizer. It's going to look kind of like this with smaller boards, so 3 boards going vertically, and there'll be thinner or skinnier boards, 1x4s. These are 5 1/4. Mine are a little under 4 that I'm going to be using. And it'll have 2 baskets on it, centered, one on top and one on bottom. And the baskets will be black wire baskets, and the boards will be painted some maybe left natural or maybe stained some dark brown or something of that sort. And it's gonna go right here on the wall in the bathroom. Fill that empty spot there, so there'll be 2 baskets to store bathroom things. So, all right, let's go take a look at the lumber. Thank you, Zeke. My son has handed me the tape measure I'll be using. There's my cheap $25 skill saw I got for Christmas. Carpenter's square, which is kind of too big, but it works. Pencil, eye protection, and the lumber itself. We've got 2 1x4x8s, and some spare scrap wood here. Some 2x4s, some 1x4, and a 2x2 in case I need that for anything. This is scraps from my last project. Got some 2x6 over there. We'll just make something work. So, all right, let's do it.
When the lit trees and the ice reflect back at me, I think they see the effect you're having on me. The cold breeze cannot make our class hands freeze. Can you not see what you're really doing to me? Oh, what obvious feelings that shake the dust of what's good. Close up, it's getting cold outside. You're standing by the fire, and awaken everything up inside. Waiting on fears to give. Let's make an agreement and give it a moment. Despite wishes, all things melt and leaving me shaken up, though in the end I'm out of the snow.
Okay, I've got the wood all cut. That was pretty easy. We just have 4 pieces of 1x4, 24 inches each, and then I've got these 2 11.5-inch 1x4s, and I'm just going to put those on the back, and then that will actually make this look kind of nice. It'll pop off the wall about 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch off the wall, so it'll kind of give it some depth. So now, to put it together, I'm going to pre-drill because I'm not using proper screws. And I'm going to kind of give myself some sink, pre-drill some sink into it. Yep, so that's what we got. Drill, a 1/4 inch driver, and some drill bits, some screws. Let's get it done.
Oh, what obvious feelings that shake the dust of what's good. Gotta be close up, it's getting cold outside. You're standing by the fire, and awaken everything up inside. Waiting on fears to give. Let's make an agreement and give it a moment. can't say that I'm back behind that line. Now that I am fine, understated time. I can't say that I'm back behind that line. Now that I am fine, understated time. I can't say that I'm back.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Not too bad. As you probably noticed when I was putting in the screws, they were all messy. They're still not too good, but I went in and sanded it just a little bit so it lays flat on the wall at least, right? So you can see there's no longer any protruding chunks of wood. So that's good. All right, Crystal, do you want to check this out and see if it meets your specifications? Make sure you can get the whole thing in there. That look like the right size?
Yep, that's perfect.
What color were we thinking? Brown, blue, gray, maybe dark gray. Yeah, dark gray would look good. Some white baskets, something like that. Okay.
Depends on the basket.
All right.
Find.
Okay, so the next step is to go to DI and find some baskets. And we'll go to Walmart and find a color to paint it after we find the baskets, because that's going to affect what color we paint it. And we'll go from there.